Undercover police officer. Looks like he was rejoicing, so I'm going to show you this. Mason, mercenary, square tile. Alright, this is the tattered cover bookstore. In the middle of the bathrooms, in between the male and female bathroom, they have a Union Pacific picture. These are Freemason, Fraternal Order of Police, pedophile, rapists spying on people in the bathroom. We're gonna go take a little trip right now. I'm gonna show you something else. I'm gonna show you something else right over here too as well. Yes, I can read DEA. I very well can. So, 1628. But here's where the information gets really crazy, alright? This sign, again, I've documented this before in another video already. Who's down here? Alright, so I already told you this place smells like a methamphetamine cat piss cookout, alright? Come ye to alley. Swine. Right, a smoky cloud signifying to others in town that this is a safe methamphetamines cookout area. And come ye to alley, come to anything, come to all. Alright, they're spying on people in this bathroom. These are sex offender police officers up in this building right here. Sex offender police officers from the Fraternal Order of Police, alright? I just had a man in here spying on me with Apple software, Apple products. This man is a sex offender, rapist, police officer.